The MEEDEN Airbrush Compressor Kit features a powerful 1/5 horsepower motor, which ensures consistent and reliable performance for various painting tasks. This airbrush compressor is designed with a durable piston that requires minimal maintenance and operates without the need for oil, making it convenient and easy to use. Equipped with a 6-foot hose and additional accessories like spray gun holders and a visual barometer, this kit provides a comprehensive solution for artists and hobbyists. The compressor's electronic self-stop function enhances its longevity by preventing unnecessary wear and tear, ensuring it remains a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. With the ability to accommodate gun tips ranging from 0.2 to 1 millimeter in diameter, this kit offers versatility for different airbrushing applications. MEEDEN stands out for its commitment to customer satisfaction, offering support and assistance to ensure users get the most out of their artistic endeavors.